Google Sheets is a powerful spreadsheet application which offers you a great variety of features to analyze, organize, and visualize your data. Creating spreadsheets, formatting data, and functions and formulas are some of the features that it offers, and additionally there are add-ons and integrations to extend its functionality. And if you're using this infinite number of features every day but are concerned about time management and repetitive tasks, then I have an idea for you. Hello everyone and welcome to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn some of the amazing and immensely useful Google Sheets automations. So let us begin. Firstly, what you can do is automatically sync data between Google Sheets and other applications, which means that either you can sync two spreadsheet applications like Google Sheet and MySQL and transfer data simultaneously in these applications. And then what you can do is take data from one application and store it in Google Sheet. For example, this automation where you can take all the Facebook comments and store them in Google Sheets by integrating these two applications. Then you can automate the process of capturing form responses in Google Sheets. So if you're using many form builder applications to collect your data, then you can take all those submissions to Google Sheet and store there so that you can sort them out very easily. For example, this automation where you can take forms submission from Elementor forms and then take it in Google Sheet. Or else you can also take type form submissions and store them in Google Sheets to ease the sorting out. Now this one is a very important and interesting one. So you can automate the process of posting content to social media platforms using data from your Google Sheet. And all of this is going to take place in one single automation. That is one single workflow. So what you can do is keep all your data collected in your Google Sheet regarding the posting of content and then integrate your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and you can add even more applications to it, and all of these applications will get the same post uploaded at the same time. Isn't it great? After that, you can create a task management system by integrating Google Sheets with project management applications. So you might be using many task management or project management application. So what you can do with Google Sheets is that whenever a new task is added to your sheet, then integrate any application that you are right now using, and a task or project will be already created in that application. Like here we have Google Sheets to Asana. And then you can also do the contrary, that all the tasks that are ever created in your database will be recorded in your Google Sheet forever and ever for your future uses. Now this one is to manage the leads and also your customer information. What you can do is to connect your Google Sheets with CRM tools to automate customer data updates. In these kind of automations, what you can do is to take the data of your contacts from Google Sheets, and those contacts will be created automatically in your CRM application. Like here we have HubSpot. And on the contrary, what you can do is all the leads in your application, like here we have Zoho CRM, will be automatically stored in your Google Sheets for your future uses, and you can refer to them anytime. All the e-commerce users, please pay attention because this one is for you all. You can automate inventory management by connecting your Google Sheet with application that allows businesses to track and organize your inventory. First thing that you can do is to create your own sales and inventory sheet by integrating two Google Sheets of sales and inventory, and they will be updated simultaneously by creating this automation. Then what you can do is, like you have an e-commerce store like WooCommerce, and every time an order is placed, then for that specific product, the stock unit will be automatically updated in this spreadsheet that you have integrated in this automation. So in this way, Pabbly Connect offers you a wide range of integrations so that you can explore all the available options and tailor your automations as per your requirement. The link to all these workflows and automations are there in the description of this video.